Evelyn here with WTI, and I'd like to show you today this great double burner element that we got for this little basement suite. It's perfect. I love that you can have, it's two different burners. As you can see, this one's a tighter burner, this one's a little bit bigger, but they are both great. Put whatever you want on it. And the simplicity of the dials as well. It's just off, low, medium, high. Goes on, it heats fast. The double burners work great together. Sometimes when you have two, it's not working like absolutely the best. I love the smaller burner for our espresso pot, and this is great for just boiling whatever you want on the stove. It's handy, it's small. I love how compact it is, and it's just this great little element. Tucks away if you're not using it, and it's by ISUMA. So if you need a double burner, this is really a great burner. I highly recommend it. Works fantastic, and you will not be disappointed. And that's my point of view.